What up? GRC, and I'm back at it once again. Got my EXB right here. Once again, rear diff. I think I broke a pin up in there, just a lock diff. I have one of these in there, and this is the first one I messed up. And so there's another one in there, and I think it's broke as well. I have this Willy bar that I got when I first got the EXB, but I never put it on until recently because of this silly rear diff. But that's the whole reason why I didn't want to put it on, because I knew I'm gonna have to go back in there. And so I gotta take this back off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this off. Had to take this off in order to get this off. It's like 3 screws, 5 counting the wing. But so I'm gonna get into this right here. All I'm going to do is just pull that up just enough where I can get into there. But first I'm going to get in here and loosen this out. I'm going to take this one out, or loosen it. And so I'm gonna just leave it in there like that, and I'm gonna take these out. Just these 4 screws right here. And that should do it right there. And I just pull this thing straight off with the okay, it's off. But that's it right there. And so I'll probably wipe this down. But yeah, let's get into that rear diff and see what it is. And so all I do is straighten this out like that, and then I pull them out just like that. I pull one side out, and that's it. That's how I take mine out. I don't take everything off. I try not to take as much things off as possible. But I'm gonna slap my gloves on real quick. Be back. Yep, so I got the diff right here. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down right quick and open it up, see what we're working with. See what kind of nonsense is going on. So I need the other one. So that's that. Let's see what's cracking. What's popping. Brand new whip just hopped in. So that's what we got. Yep, same thing happened. See that? So that's yep. Pin's still good. But this right here, no good. And so hopefully I can get this bad boy off. Okay. So yeah, actually this pin broke. The pin broke on this side. See a little piece of pin right up in there? See that little piece of pin right there? Oh, it's a piece of pin stuck in there, and there's a little piece of pin right there. So yeah, that whole pin broke. I just lost a little piece. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So, and I just lost it. Anyways, the pin broke. And I had thicker pins in there too. As you can see, it fits perfectly up in there. And yeah, see that little piece right there? Yeah. So that's what it is. This side the pin broke. This side it did that. Same thing as my my first spool, or whatever you call this thing. But yeah, this is annoying. I already had a couple people comment saying they already got their diffs like a week ago. Oh no, I guess California we don't get ours until, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and slap this back in. I know it's gonna be messed up, but I want to run it for tomorrow because there's a little race going on, and I want to race to EXB. I want it to be working, so yeah, I had to spend more money to get this just to run it a couple times. But I'm gonna slap this in there, and so I wish they would just give us our. You see, there's that piece right there. It's a little pin. So, yep. Luckily, I got some extra pins. So, I'm probably going to slap some 50K back there. Or maybe 100K. Yeah, I'll probably slap some 100K up in there. But, yeah. So let me grab everything I need and slap this back together. Yep, so I slapped the pin up in there. And these are the pins right here that I put in there. I'm gonna go ahead and install these. I mean, you don't need this. I suggest you don't put this in. I'm just putting it in because they're gonna break. I'm putting it in for one-time use or two-time use, hopefully. Just so I could get it running for tomorrow. I'm gonna try to race with this EXB. Yeah, but I'm gonna put it on. This is silly, man. And so, this is silly. Yep. No, I think they had shims. Okay, yeah, so I've had shims. I had a video of working on a Max, Traxxas Max, and it was so easy to work on that diff. The diffs that are on the Max are way thicker than these. The sun gears that's on the Max the Traxxas Max are way thicker than this. Not only that, they're easier to work on. And so they're easier to work on than this. This one got shims and all this nonsense. And so, I mean, the Traxxas Max was so very easy to work on, man. That was just easy. The diffs, no shims, none of that. And so this, you gotta put shims here, check a shim there, and all this nonsense. So, but that 6S Kraton is one of my favorites. So, you know, once this is 100%, I think this might be one of my favorites. But until then, I'm gonna deal with this craziness. So I gotta put that in there like that. And make sure the flat part is up, and this one that's going on it's gonna link into it, clink into it. I don't know how you say it, but you know what I'm trying to say. That's how you. And so, that's how you set it up right there. The pins, make sure it's facing down. And then if you have big fingers like me, it's going to be an ordeal just to get this craziness in there. But I did it. And so, yep, I did it. It's up in there. And so, we'll go ahead and you know what, I'm gonna slap some 50 up in there. I'm gonna slap 50 up in there. No, I'm slapping 100. No, I'm putting 50. And so it's going to be temporary. Well, it's temporary no matter what. These diffs ain't no good. But I need something to run with. So man, I should have put 100. Oh well. And I just left the grease in there nice and sticky, so that way I can put this up in there like this, like so. You know what I mean? So that should do it. Just gotta line up those holes. And that's another thing. The thing about the Max, it locks. You don't have to try to find the hole. You don't gotta try to do none of that. As long as you get it to where it goes, it locks up in there. Put these back in there. And go ahead and tighten them in. tighten them down. I know everybody knows how to work on these, but these are for the people that don't. So nice and smooth. They're gonna bust anyways, but nice and smooth for now. And feels crunchy actually. This thing, man, it's ridiculous, man. Okay, so the way I put it back in is the way I brought it out. And so, you know what, actually I gotta take this dog bone out because it was crooked. I need to straighten this thing out. I need to straighten this out. Yeah, let me straighten this out as best I can. I'll be back. Yeah, that's as straight as it's going to get right there. I banged it out. That's as straight as it's going to get. I'm going to go ahead and work with that. But so let me just, might as well clean these. Yeah, that one's okay. So there. This is how I put it back in. Maybe I should clean a little bit. Wipe out. Wipe out what I can. But it's been so recent since I did this, so it doesn't even matter. Look at nice little grease right there. Yeah, so I ain't even going to really worry about this. I mean, but this is how I put my diffs in. Just like I took them out. Put one side in, the other side. Turn it just so it could go in. There it goes. Once you got it in straight, you're good to go. So slap it in there. Let's see. I should do it like Jill. And you know, work it around, make sure it's in there. But I'm gonna grease it up right quick. So coat it real nice. That should do. Let it get up in there. And that should be good right there. In there, like swimwear. You know? You know. So wipe a little bit off of there. I don't think it matters what grease. I mean, this is the grease I use. I don't know. I think grease is grease though. So if you guys know of any other grease that's best for this, let me know. Other than that, I mean, this is what I have. This is what I use. This is what I got. So, but yeah, so I clean this. Yeah, clean it. I just wiped it down though. Like I said, this was done recently, so this grease ain't old. It's not like it's all old. And so, but yep, that's how. Make sure it's up in there, right there. Right. Slap this bad boy back on. Like that there. Sorry. I have to make sure my, like that there. Put these bad boys in. Slap this one in. Yep. Tighten them down. Yep. Yeah, check them real quick. Okay. Okay. What's next? Slap these in. Okay. Oh, I think I stripped it. And that's it. That's how it's done. Straighten this back down. Snap those in. Look crooked. Like it went in crooked. But so tighten him down. Man, I should change that. I'm gonna wait until it breaks. I got a metal one, but I'll wait until it breaks. But yeah, that's how. So 2 of them. This and this is my 3rd one. 2 of these and 3 of these. Man. Come on, Horizon, you guys are killing me. Killing me. And this was on 6S, and I did this. 6S. This can go to 8S. I only did this on 6S. Yep. I'm gonna change the servo up in this thing. Right now, the servo is this Savox thing, but it's not working. So I'm gonna exchange it for this right here. I'm hoping this is better. I don't know. I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna check the center diffs, slap some oil in there, check the front. I'm not gonna do it on this video, but yeah, that's the rear diffs. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. This goes over, back over on this, just like that there. Slap those on in my wings, on my wing. So, but yeah, that's what it is. Thanks for watching. Real quick, if anybody knows how to keep this plastic black on what I can do instead of, because I don't want to use WD-40. If you know any tricks that I can do, that I can use to keep my plastic nice and black after I clean it, please let me know. But, alright, thanks for watching. Bye.